Hi everybody, welcome to Creations by Karen, and this is day 6 of the 20-day Christmas craft challenge. And today we're going to make something that is becoming quite popular. We'll see how it goes today. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to tell you what it is. It's this little guy, Elf on the Shelf. So apparently they didn't have these when Kurt was little, but this is becoming ever popular, and I got these at my local dollar store. And they have this one, who's really cute, we're going to use today. They also have a dark colored skin one and also a girl one. So regardless of who you're going to give this to, you can pick one that's appropriate for you. Elf. And I paid $1.50 for it. Now I got a box that I purchased on Temu, and this works really well for this particular craft. So I just take my box and I got to fold it, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So basically, everywhere there's a crease, I am just kind of folding it here. All right, so all the sides, the top, go to this side. So everywhere like there's a crease, I'm just turning it in. So when I go to put it all together, it goes together okay. Just like that. And this one. And here. Okay, so I have all my sides creased. And I forgot. Should I do that one? Okay, so then you're going to just take this, and there's a split in the box here, and you're just going to fit this into that split like that. And there's one on this side as well. So turn it in. And I was really quite impressed with this box that I got from Temu, and it came in a package of, I think there was 12. I didn't pay very much for it. Like, I think it was like $9 or something like that, but works out to less than $1 a box, which is good. And just for a little, because I found these things will come apart. So what I decided to do is just take some tape, some Scotch tape, just regular tape works fine. And I'm just going to tape this closed in the inside, like that. So this stays together the way I want it to. You don't have to do this part. You know me, gotta do it right. All right, so here we got my box. It's all ready to go. And it's got this one here. That's cute, just like that. It's a really cute box. It's got a snowman on it. How cute is that? All right, so we're going to fill it, because I think I'm going to give this to somebody who has a young child, and I think it will go well. So first thing we're going to put in it, the box anyway, is some shred, paper shred. I got this at my local dollar store. So I'm going to have to use a lot of this. Just enough to cover the bottom works good. Okay, so the shred's in, just like that. And then I'm going to put my little elf dude in here. He's really cute. I leave this tag on. So I just fit him in and kind of move his legs to the side, just like that. And then I'm going to put in, it's a little craft kit I got at my local dollar store. I'm just going to tuck him underneath there. Something for them to do. Just like that. Just want this to sit down. And I want his face to show. Okay? Just like that. Put his arms where you want them. That's cute. And then I thought, I made these, I got this off of Etsy. You can purchase these on Etsy. It's just an elf adoption. It's Santa's official certificate of elf adoption. This is to certify that, put the child's name on here, has been adopted, or to, sorry, the elf's name, whatever they decided to name the elf, has been adopted by the child's name, and then on the date, and it says approved by Santa Claus. So what I just want to do is just roll this up, kind of like this. Cute. And you could put a ribbon around it. I'm not going to. The kid won't use it. So just going to put a little rubber band on it. And I don't put it on tight. I'm going to stick this in the box as well. And just because I want to do this, I'm going to put in a treat. So I got these treats at my local dollar store. So we got lollipop, put that in there. And then I'm just going to throw some Hershey's Kisses in there. Just sporadically, I don't know, just a few. So they can have some of those. All right. That looks good. So now I'm just going to close up the box. See how this kind of wants to pop up. I might tape those down. No, I'm not. I'm not going to tape it down. Just going to close the lid. This would be a really cute gift if you're going somewhere at the beginning of December. You always take something for the adults, but I always think it's fun to take something for the kids. There we go. Okay, this is irritating me, so maybe I'm just going to put some tape on this so that it secures down. And I'm using transparent tape so you won't see it. Let's just do that. This is the new set of boxes that I got. First one I'm using. Cute. Perfect. Okay. Then I'm just going to put the lid down. And I'll just put a little piece of tape on the lid just to secure the lid in. See, doesn't, but I wanted his face, look, to be right in the window there. Just really cute. So it's important to look at. I always think things should look good in their package. I don't use bags at Christmas. Do you use bags when you put your gifts in at Christmas? I don't. Take a lot of time. Anyways. So there you go. An elf on the shelf. All ready to go to its new home. And that's number 6. Of the 21-day or 20-day Christmas craft challenge. You guys have a great day. Love you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.